how to use Flipgrid. So you have a couple of choices. You could download the app. If you want to do that, the name of the app is Flipgrid, which I'm looking here. I don't have it written anywhere on this assignment, but once you've clicked on this link right here, it will take you to Flipgrid, and then if you want, you could download the app, but you don't really have to. Really, all you have to do is read the instructions here. This is from a different class, but this is pretty much the same way that it works. You'll go down to the link, and you'll click on the link. Notice the password is right here. That'll be the same. So you click on the link, and it'll take you to a page that looks like this. You can do it on your phone. Actually, you have to have a camera and a microphone for this to work. So doing it on your phone is the most convenient. To get to it on your phone, you would have to go to It's Learning, navigate. Well, go to It's Learning, navigate to the assignment, click on the link. It'll open this page on your phone, and then you type in the password, which is what you saw there. And then let's go. Now this will take me to, well, actually it takes you to this page. Right now if you don't see this, then I may not have opened the assignment yet. It may still be hidden. So if you don't see this, something that looks like this, yours will say Unidad 2 Presentación for Español Summer School Español 3. If you don't see that, it's because I haven't opened it yet. So once it's open, which you'll see in It's Learning in the instructions, then you'll see this. You will have the due date. You will have the instructions of what you're supposed to do. And then you go down here to record. So you click on this, and I don't have a camera, but let's see. If I did, I'm going to plug an external camera into my computer. Let's see. Where can I plug this in? All right, so I've plugged in an external camera, so I'm going to try it again. So here's my camera. So I aim the camera at myself, which, turn it around here to me. And then I click on this and it records. So I say, estoy respondiendo a la pregunta que pone ahí en la pregunta que sale en las instrucciones. All right, so let's say that that's the end of my recording. So then I click pause and next. So I can review my recording there, and then I hit next, and then I take a picture of myself, or whatever, selfie, and click next, and then I type in my full first name and my last name and my email address at versailles.k12.ga.us, and then you don't need to worry about a title or a link, and then submit my video. And there you are, complete. So that's how you do your Flipgrid assignment. Super easy. Again, like I said, if you want the app, which is not necessary, then you can click on this in your phone and go to your app store and download the Flipgrid app. So happy recording.